On this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make $10 on Instagram with just a post. Okay, I'm going to show you guys simple steps you need to use. Probably if you're an influencer on Instagram, there are ways, if you have many followers on Instagram, there are ways you can actually use to make money with Instagram. Don't just create traffic for nothing or have followers on Instagram for nothing. You can always use them for money. So I'm going to move straight to my computer to show you guys how to do this. So let's go straight to my Chrome browser. So I'm going to show you this site called MNFST. It's called manifest.com. Manifest. So what you do on Manifest is every post you make on Instagram with your icons, with your designs, with your smileys, with your emojis on it, you could actually, like you can see this driven quality, you can actually make 10 to 20 to $30 on it. Probably you have about let's say 7,000 followers on Instagram. You could actually make $7 per post on Instagram with it. So you can see the earnings, you can see that. So say create, get what, raise your influence. We are on a mission to democratize the influencer market, the user profile. So you can see if you have an Android phone or an iPhone, you can actually do this. So it's really easy to do. So you can check the overview of the site. It's actually a cool site. It said how it works. So Manifest is a social lifestyle app which helps people become better creators, benefits from their most valuable assets, and support charities and cause they care about. Okay, you can actually donate your profits to charity, or you make your withdrawals on PayPal and other withdrawal methods. You can see you just create your account, you create an account, make a post or get a picture, make a post with that picture with your smileys and emojis on it, and you get paid. Probably you have about 10,000 followers on Instagram. You could actually make $10 on Instagram with it. Or you could actually, you'll be wondering, how do I get 10,000 followers on Instagram? Maybe you're a newbie on Instagram, maybe you just started doing Instagram, maybe you have just like 1,000 followers. Okay, no problem. I'll show you a way where you can get up to 10 to 20 to 30,000 followers on Instagram. I'm gonna move you right to the next website, which is called Just Another Panel. You can see my orders on Instagram and YouTube here. I got about 600 subscribers on JAP. Inside of the name of the site is JAP, Just Another Panel. So this worked rightly. I spend money on this doing research just because I want you to believe this video. I want you to understand. I want you to have a trust on this video that it actually works. So you can actually make your orders on Instagram, on JAP here, for Instagram, for YouTube, for Twitter. Probably you want followers on Twitter. You can actually make orders here. You can see their orders, services. Okay, let's go to services. This is what I do. I think my network is kind of poor right now. Okay, well, no problem. Once you can log into JAP, justanotherpanel.com, you can see that's the name of the website. There's a website there. Oh, come on. I think my network is bad right now. Okay, it's back. So you could actually, okay, you can see real Instagram followers. You can, once you have the followers, the right followers, you have 10,000 followers, you can actually make $10 every post with this. You can use JAP and other SMM. If you can go to Google, you can see their review on JAP. You can see that it actually works. Use JAP to get your Instagram followers. So that's what I do. So let's go back to Manifest. You can see somebody made over $192, and he makes $2 per post. Probably he had about 2,000 followers. You can see some people make 100 followers. 100 okay, you can see examples of posts made on Instagram from Manifest, and you can see driven by quality. You see that? So once you can attach such designs to your posts on Instagram and promote them, you get paid, and you get paid in every 24 hours. That's the good thing about them. You get paid so fast in 24 hours. You can see that how valuable is your profile. So you can just create an account immediately. Just drop your phone number here. Right now I'm in Nigeria, so you can just drop your phone number. Probably I can just drop my phone number there, and cool. You say what our users say. You can see what the users are saying. It's actually cool. So the combination of Jab and Manifest is money. It's money. Jab and Manifest makes you money. So if you believe, I mean, if you feel this video was helpful to you, if you believe it was nice to you, you gained something, you can just support my channel by subscribing to the channel, and you can also hit the notification button to get new videos on how to make money online. My next video, I'm going to show you how to get even more Instagram followers using another means. Thank you very much. Don't forget, don't just watch this video. Get to work. Don't stop. Don't just watch and say, wow, this is a good video, and you just stop there. Get to work. Do something. Don't just stop. Get to work. Don't just watch videos. Don't just waste your data. Get to work. Don't just waste your internet. You use the money to subscribe your data. Get to work. Do something with your Instagram. Use your Instagram influence to make money for yourself. Don't just get followers from. Some of you have over 20,000 followers. You do nothing with it. Some people even have 100,000 followers. You don't do anything with it. Seriously, I'm getting angry because people really waste data, they waste money, subscribe every month. Some people subscribe every week, some even subscribe every day, and they waste the subscription doing nothing. Don't just use your money to watch videos on YouTube and you come out with nothing. Do something with it. I'm gonna show you guys better ways. If you click on my notification button or the subscription button, I'll give you more videos on how to make money online. I'm actually a digital marketer. I show people how to run Facebook ads. Probably you ship something abroad and you want to sell it and you want to run ads on Facebook. I show people how to do it. Just drop a message on the comment section what you want me to talk about. Drop a message there and I will talk about it. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.